Here at Catalyst Church, we believe that discipleship is best done through relationships. And why is that? Because that's the way that Jesus discipled people. He connected, he built relationships. And part of the lifeblood of Catalyst Church are our connection groups. In these connection groups, we build relationships, we dig deeper into the lives of one another in order to disciple one another to our best potential in Christ. The winter/spring semester of connection groups starts the week of January 29th and runs through the week of April 2nd. If you are not yet involved in a connection group, I want to encourage you to sign up for one that are around the greater Greensboro area. But even if you are in a connection group, I still want to encourage you to go and sign up for your connection group, just so on our end we get a better idea of who is going to be in whose group. You can sign up for a connection group at catalystchurch.info/connection groups, or if you just want more information about what our connection groups look like, don't hesitate to reach out to me at richie@catalystchurch.org.